Here are a few ways to cut and peel a squash. Depending on your needs, a squash may be cut in different ways. To create a unique soup bowl, first cut off the top. Scrape out the seeds with a spoon. Then scrape out the flesh. Leave about ½ an inch at the bottom. Now the squash can be filled with your favorite hearty soup. Only need the flesh? Before you start cutting, make sure the squash is stable and cannot slip. You may have to steady the squash on a tea towel. Cut the squash into quarters and remove the seeds. Depending on the thickness of the skin, you can either peel the squash with a vegetable peeler or cut it into small pieces and peel it with your knife. Cut the squash into slices or smaller pieces as needed. Are you going to roast the squash in the oven? Cut the squash into quarters and remove the seeds. You can leave the skin on. It's edible and will become soft in the oven. And that's the way to cut and peel a squash.